Okay guys, so it is day 2. We had about 5 hours of sleep. And now we are headed to Victoria Peak tram. It's this really old tram, one of the oldest trams in the world. They have a really good view of the city. And we picked up some sushi and some juice for breakfast. Quick breakfast for us because it's quite early. And then later on we're going to go back to China to the central area to have lunch at a couple of good spots. But yeah. Alright guys, we made it. We took the tram up to Victoria Peak and now we're at the 360 view. That's okay. And we waited about 2 hours because it wasn't open yet, but totally worth the wait. It's got a nice breeze and there's no sun, which is so nice. We're not sweating. But totally worth it if you ever come to Hong Kong. It was around, I think, 23 Australian dollars for the tickets up here and plus the observation deck. But yeah, it's starting to get busy. But we're gonna head off soon and go grab some lunch. Alright, hey guys, so we're in a very tight space at the moment. We're at Yatlok restaurant in Kowloon. We ordered the barbecue crispy pork with rice and the goose with rice. So super excited to try it. Let's give it a shot. Alright, so good. So I've got the goose. Sorry, you can't see half my face, but we don't have much room. Alright, so let's give it a go. That is good. Sweet, salty. The service is pretty crazy. They were like yelling at us to hurry up and order. That crispy pork is really good. But yeah, totally approved, right? Approved. we're here at Bakehouse. We're gonna try the famous egg tarts. They were around 12.50 HKD each, and we've seen these on TikTok and they go up. So cheers! Yum! The dough is so soft and crispy on the outside, and it's a perfect amount of sweetness as well. Definitely give this a recommendation. We recommend it. And they're in Wan Chai as well. Alright guys, we're currently outside of Sister Wah, this famous beef brisket place. And we are about to have dinner. We've had a long day of sightseeing today and we can't wait to try this food. It's Michelin star. It is also highly recommended on TikTok and on Instagram Reels. Yay! I'm so excited to eat, and then we're gonna go see the Symphony of the Lights, but we'll show you what we're gonna eat. We'll do a little food mukbang thing. Alright guys, we're back. We are here. Tita Yoli is here too. Yay! So we actually got our food pretty quickly. We got the beef brisket, pork dumplings in chili sauce, and we got the drunken chicken. So again, super crowded in here, but let's give it a go. Sorry you can't see half my face, but that's alright, eh? Alright. So I'm gonna go with the beef brisket with the new dry egg noodle first. Give it a go. Oh, that soup is so good. No, not yet. Struggling. That brisket is delicious. No? It's good, hey? That brisket is so soft. Yum. No, I'm good, thank you. Yeah. Actually, yeah, put some in. We're gonna try some chili in ours. Okay. Yeah. That's good, that's good, that's good. Give it a go with some chili oil. Damn, that is good. Yum. Alright, we're gonna try the drunken chicken. That's what it looks like. Oh, I think it's got beer. I think it's soaked in beer. Oh, no wonder why it's drunken chicken. Because it's soaked in beer.
It's drunk.
Delicious. Lucky I broke my no alcohol streak already. Hey. Okay, next I'm gonna try is the pork dumpling in spicy sauce. I love pork dumplings and I love anything in spicy chili sauce, chili oil. Damn, this, I rate this place. It's again Sister Wah in where are we again? We're in Causeway Bay, like near Causeway Bay. This is delicious, guys. Sorry, you really can't see my face, but you need to try this, okay? Alright, hey guys. So we just watched the Symphony of the Lights and it wasn't that good. I probably would not recommend it. It was pretty underwhelming. But we're here at Sneaker Street right now in Mongkok Gonna look for some shoes, and yeah. Okay guys, so sorry we didn't get to film much at Sneakers Street. I actually got hit with a huge wave of tiredness while we were shopping. We went to a fair few stores and yeah, I tried on a heaps of shoes. Like, I wasn't really feeling it too much. I didn't really like any of them, but Tita Yoli did get a pair of new Adidas white sneakers. Show the camera. So good. Nice. And I even called my dad, who's back in Sydney, and woke him up. It was like 1 a.m. Sydney time, and I woke him up, but he didn't like the pair that I was gonna get him, so didn't grab them. I did get a new phone case as well, which is right here, which is cool. And we bought a little backpack to take with us tomorrow because the Yoli's little phone case as well. It's new, it's really nice. But yeah, we bought a backpack to bring with us tomorrow because we're going to Disneyland. So on that note, we have to go to bed because it's almost 1 a.m. and we need to get up at like 8 o'clock. Good night.